Welcome to ScheduleAnywhere. This video will show you how to run schedules and reports. All schedules and reports can be found under the Reports menu. ScheduleAnywhere account administrators and managers can run any schedule or report. By default, employees can only view their personal schedule. If an employee has permission to view staff schedules, the employee will be able to run all reports except the manager reports. The daily roster report shows you who is scheduled to work a particular day. You can run this report for an individual schedule or all schedules. Filters can be applied to most reports to only see specific employees. To learn more about filters, please watch the video, Setting Up Filters. You can sort employees on the daily roster report by name, position, start time, or shift name. Plus you have the option to show departments, explanations, or notes. The staff schedule report looks similar to the main schedule screen. You can run the staff schedule report for one schedule or all schedules. Apply a filter to limit employees shown. Then select the start date, number of days you want to appear on the report, and check which information you'd like to include. The group schedule report shows groups of employees on a schedule by selecting and adding filters. Groups can be anything, such as employees who have a particular position, shift, job, skill, department, location, etc. You can also select how you want employee names to appear on the report. To run this report, select a schedule, the template you want to use, and a start date. To edit an existing template or add a new template, click the Edit or New button. Employee names matching the criteria of each filter or group will appear together on the report. If you want to produce individual work schedules for your employees, run the Employee Schedules report. Enter the start date and how many weeks you want to include, up to 6. Then select the employees whose schedules you want to print. If you need to view your own schedule, select the Personal Schedule report. This will show you up to 6 weeks of schedule information for any date range. Click the previous and next arrows to scroll backwards or forwards, or enter a date you wish to view and click the Print button. The Daily Stats report shows you how many people are scheduled throughout a day. Apply a filter to show only certain employees, such as those with a particular skill. You can see staffing totals in 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, or 5-minute intervals. An optional labor hours chart can give you a visual interpretation of your staffing levels throughout the day. The Legend report lists all shifts, shift tags, time off tags, and explanations used on a schedule. Each are grouped together for quick reference. For each shift, you will see the abbreviation, name, start time, and end time, break time, and work time. For each shift tag, time off tag, and explanation, you will see the abbreviation and name. ScheduleAnywhere account administrators and managers also have access to all of the reports under the Manager Reports menu. The Estimated Cost report gives you an estimation of what your labor costs will be based on the employees you have scheduled. For an estimated labor cost to be calculated, each employee must have a pay rate entered into their employee profile. To run the report, select a date range, schedule, filter, or the list of employees you want included. You can set daily and period overtime thresholds and factors to more accurately reflect your overtime situation. The Export report lets you save schedule information as Microsoft Excel, CSV, or XML files. This information can be used for building custom reports, archiving old schedules, or for importing data into other systems. You can export information for any date range up to 250 days and apply a filter to limit results for a schedule. If you are looking to integrate ScheduleAnywhere with other systems, please contact us at 1-800-874-8801 to learn more about our API-enabled version. This version of ScheduleAnywhere allows you to share schedule information with other systems programmatically and vice versa. The Search report gives you the ability to scan schedules looking for specific data. You can select the people, skills, explanations, shifts, tags, time off, or notes you want to search, as well as the date range. Create as many search reports as you need. They are specific to each manager. The Seniority report allows you to select a single schedule or all schedules and view or print seniority status by position. The hire date in the employee's profile is used as the seniority date on the report. Employees are sorted from most senior to least senior and grouped by position. The skills report generates a list of employees with a specific skill, certification, training, safety, etc. Select the skill names you want to search to see which employees match your criteria. Results will be grouped by skill type and name. Effective dates and expiration dates will be shown if present. The Staff Profiles report shows you general information found in an employee's profile. You can choose to view skills, personal information, messaging information, company information, and schedule history for a selected date range. The Time Off Requests report shows you a list of all time off requests submitted by employees to managers. You will see a list of all requests for time off dates requested within the selected date range and what action has been taken by managers. The Schedule Requests report shows you a list of all schedule requests submitted by employees to managers. You will see a list of all schedule requests for dates within the selected date range and what action has been taken by managers. The Cover Swap Requests report shows you a list of cover and swap requests submitted by employees to managers. You will see the type of requests, cover or swap, who submitted the request, and which employee the request was submitted to. For each request, you will see the schedule name, date or dates, and schedule details. You will see when a request was accepted by the other employee and when it was submitted to the manager, and the status of the request. The Shift Summary Report shows work shift hours and non-work shift hours by employee and schedule and calculates total work shift and non-work shift hours by schedule for the selected date range. Use a filter to include only certain employees. The Shift Summary Report displays any work and non-work shifts for the specified date range and their respective totals. The Total Hours Report shows total hours scheduled and calculates employee utilization and efficiency for a given work period. Employee utilization is calculated by dividing the total hours scheduled by the total desired hours for the selected period. Employee efficiency is calculated by dividing the total hours scheduled by the total desired hours minus any non-worked hours. Utilization and efficiency calculations require an employee's desired number of hours, which is entered on the Hours and Wages tab within each employee's profile. The Account Information Report will show you statistical data about your account. Thank you for your interest in Schedule Anywhere, the leading employee scheduling app. For more information, please go to ScheduleAnywhere.com or call 1-800-874-8801.